everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to the skin, there are many natural ingredients that you can use to lighten, brighten and clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. You have things such as lemon, you have lime, you also have the tomato. Now I personally enjoy using the tomato on my skin because when I apply tomato on my skin, it gives me a fast result. Now tomato can be used as a standalone. You can just choose to cut the tomato and just rub it on your skin and it will immediately start exfoliating the skin, getting rid of the dead skin cells and the grease and dirt from the skin. Now if you use the tomato on the skin on a regular, you will notice your skin transform to clearer looking skin while also getting rid of the hyperpigmentation. Now tomato is rich in an enzyme known as lycopene, and that is what when activate on the skin have to clear the pigmentation. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share a quick recipe showing you how you can use the tomato on the skin to clear the skin, lighten and brighten the skin, and also to get fast results. Another thing I like about this recipe is that it is also good for dark neck. If you find that your neck is way darker than you'd want it to be, this will also help. So you can use it to exfoliate the neck. It is also great if you have large open pores. This is going to help to clean those pores out and leave the skin just looking fresh and amazing. Now remember, it's fast acting, but at the end of the day it is natural, so give it time to work on the skin. However, the very first time you use it on the skin, you will feel your skin feeling soft and smooth, and with continuous use you will notice a significant difference. You're trying to get glass-like skin, you're trying to get clear, bright, glowing skin, you're trying to get rid of rough skin, you're trying to shrink those large open pores. Why not try this recipe? What do you have to lose? Basically nothing. So I'm going to jump in the kitchen. I'm going to whip this up really quick. Before I jump in the kitchen, however, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side of the word subscribe, there's a little bell icon. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload the video. Now let's go whip this recipe up really quick. Our first ingredient is tomato, and tomato is rich in lycopene. If you slice tomato and apply it on your skin in circular motion, it will help to clear pigmentation really quick. What I'm going to do with the tomato today, I'm going to mix it with another ingredient to make it a more stronger and a more faster remedy to clear pigmentation, brighten and lighten the skin. So I'm going to use a half of a plum tomato and I'm going to cut it in small pieces for easier blending. I'm going to be blending the tomato in a small blender. If you do not have a blender, go ahead and use a grater and grate the tomato. So let's reach for our blender and we're going to pour our tomato in the blender. Before we blend, we're going to add a few more ingredients to this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for some oils. Today I'm going to be using some grapeseed oil. However, use whatever oil you have. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, you can even use some sweet almond oil. Pour this in, 1 teaspoon or so of your favorite oil. I'm using the grapeseed oil. Also, before I blend, I'm going to reach for a second ingredient. And here I have some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is hydrating, clear pigmentation, brighten and lighten the skin. I'm using a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Pour this in. And now I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. Now after blending, I'm going to pour this out in a small bowl. Pour this out. And now here we have our tomato puree. And we're going to reach for one more ingredient to this. And take a look. Here I have some baking soda. When you mix the tomato with the baking soda, it's going to help to speed up the process for faster exfoliation. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the baking soda. Pour this in. Round about a teaspoon of the baking soda. And now I'm just going to fold it in our tomato mixture. Just fold it in like this. Now once this is done, this is ready to lighten and brighten the skin. To use this, all you need to do is to be generous with it, and you're going to use it to exfoliate your skin in circular motion. Apply it on your skin. This is also good for the joints and the elbows and knees. Exfoliate your face, your neck, and décolleté. And once this is done, you are going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. Rinse off, pat dry the skin, and you're on your way to beautiful skin. You can choose to use this every other day for 7 days straight for faster, effective result. And there you have it, a very quick, a very simple recipe to clear pigmentation and give you that bright looking skin. Don't forget, it is also good for the neck and décolleté. And guess what, guys? Here's a quick poll for you. Which do you prefer to use on the skin? Do you prefer to use the tomato or do you prefer to use the lemon? Go ahead and comment, because my next video, if you choose lemon, will be a recipe showing you how to use lemon to lighten and brighten the skin. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget, if this was the first time watching, subscribe, and also don't forget to share this video on your social media page. And don't forget to check out the main page. Click on my face below. It's going to take you to the main page. On the main page, check out some of the playlists. Check out some of our other videos using tomato. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.